So this sofa server table, as they're called, this is my version of it. I call it the rustic sofa server table. It's out on a rock right now, so it's a little rocky. But anyways, my method of operation is keep a little rusticity in it, a couple of knots. But the table basically include this. I think it's like around 14 inch by 11 or 12 inch top. It's got a tray up on the top. We use some various ways of covering up like screw holes and things like that, which is kind of fun. You can put pens and pencils in there. It's designed to hold a cell phone, a remote control if you want. These are cup holders. They're not really holders. They're just basically there to allow the cup from sliding, or a beer can, a soda can, whatever. It just kind of holds them in place. You can make those deeper if you want. I use it all the time with my mouse pad, so I have a mouse pad on there all the time. It's all knockdown construction, and I've changed this method of operation from time to time. But basically, you can get at it's all knockdown, so you can get at this and take it apart. This is one piece right here. The tray and the tray and the tabletop are one piece. And then this from here on down is another piece. And then the bottom, which is this, and the legs are another piece. And so you can break it down and put it into a car for transportation. I built one of these for my daughter, and we broke it down, and she actually put it in her luggage and took it back, to Texas. So down here, looks like copper, but it's actually steel on the inside. And if this project were going to be shipped off somewhere else, like to a customer or family member or something like that, the steel wouldn't even go with at first. It would just be ordered separately. Those slide right in. It's really a fun project. To me, it looks good. I used a method here where I did, this is a 2-board glue up. So I've got from here to here with one board, here to here with another, so they're probably 5.5 inch, 6 inch wide, something like that. I always put ends on them. I usually bevel the ends. Those ends could be rounded if you want. The project itself, there's this slot up here that it's kind of fun to do. It's very easy to do. We use a drill press to make the two outers and then use a jigsaw to cut. There's certain size holes that are used for various reasons. I like putting quarters in there, stuff like that. So that's the project for this super selfish sofa table.